I am back at the Computex 2018, and if you don't know me, I'm Een Mercado again for AeroCool, and now we're at the ESSENCORE or KLEVV at Computex. So we will be roaming around, and I'm gonna show you guys what's in the booth. So let's go! Okay, so first we can see here are the coolers from AeroCool, and of course RAM. And this is a very good showcase of PCs. You can also check out on the side, there are Thunder X3 coolers too. Are they awesome, right? And on my left side, you can see there are games that you can play. If you're bored, you can try out, what do you call this? A table tennis. Yeah, that's what it is. And let's check it out on my right side. We have showcase of PCs. You can play games here, and as you can see, they're using the Thunder X3 keyboard and mouse, and also the headset. It's so cool. I love the monitor, like it's so curved. And on my left side here, KLEVV has their own M.2s, SSDs, and RAM. So if you guys need an upgrade for your PC, maybe you can check out ESSENCORE's merchandises. So awesome, right? So you guys check out at Computex 2018, ESSENCORE or KLEVV booth here at the 4th floor. So I'll see you guys. Bye!